One sunny morning, Sergeant Calhoun noticed a small kitten stuck in a tall tree. The kitten was scared and meowed for help. Sergeant Calhoun, without a moment's hesitation, climbed up the tree, his paws gripping the branches tightly. With his tail wagging, he reached the kitten and carefully picked him up. The kitten was so grateful and purred with joy. Sergeant Calhoun carried him back to the ground, where he found a cozy home for the little cat. Word spread around Sunnyville about Sergeant Calhoun's brave act. The people of the town praised him, but Sergeant Calhoun just smiled and wagged his tail. "I was just doing my job," he said. But every night, when the town was quiet, Sergeant Calhoun would see the kitten playing in the garden. He would watch over the kitten, making sure he was safe and happy. The story of Sergeant Calhoun became a legend in Sunnyville. The brave and kind dog, who was not just a police dog, but a hero in the hearts of the townsfolk. And so, every day, Sergeant Calhoun would wake up, ready to protect and care for the town, and every night, he would watch over the kitten, making sure he was safe and sound. The end. Good night, little ones. May you dream of brave and kind animals like Sergeant Calhoun. Sweet dreams.